Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful trouser design. So let's start. First of all, we need to fold the bottom of the trouser. I'm folding 2 inches, but it's completely depend on your choice. You can change it. Now adding pin tucks, that is ½ inch from the source stitches. Make sure that the pin tucks are straight and smooth. It increases the beauty of it. Now add 2 more pin tucks ½ inch apart from each other. If you have a difficulty to maintain the distance between 2 pin tucks, you can mark them by means of iron or tailoring chalk for your guidance. It's time to add the lace. I kept 1 inch distance between the last pin tucks and the lace, but you can change it as per your requirement. Adding second lace 1 inch apart from the first lace. For better finishing and a proper grip, I am adding a second stitch on the big lace. Add third lace 1 inch apart from the middle lace. For the better gripping and finishing, I am adding 1 more stitch on the small lace as well. This is the final look of my trouser. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.